Transforming your bedroom into a stylish, cozy retreat starts with a few well-thought-out decor ideas. Let's dive straight into some inspiring options that will completely elevate your space. Start by focusing on the bed, the centerpiece of any bedroom. Try layering your bed with textured throws and a mix of cushions. Choose neutral or pastel tones for a calm vibe, or go bold with rich hues to create a statement. Switching up your bedding can instantly refresh the room's look and feel. Next, consider the walls. An accent wall can be a game changer. You could use peel and stick wallpaper for an easy update, or even paint one wall in a contrasting color. If you want to go more subtle, hanging framed art or photos can also bring personality to your bedroom. Large, oversized artwork above the bed can create a focal point, while a gallery wall allows you to add more personal touches. Lighting is another powerful tool to transform your bedroom. Swap out basic ceiling lights for something more dramatic like a chandelier or a trendy pendant light. Layer in soft bedside lamps or wall-mounted sconces for a warm and inviting glow. Dimmable lights can also work wonders for setting the right mood. If your bedroom feels a bit bare, introduce texture with area rugs. A plush rug underfoot adds warmth and comfort, especially if you have hard floors. Opt for natural fibers like jute for a boho vibe, or go with something ultra soft like faux fur for a luxurious touch. Mirrors aren't just functional, they can also make your room appear larger and brighter. Place a large mirror opposite a window to reflect natural light, or choose decorative mirrors to add a stylish edge to your decor. Don't forget about the curtains. Floor-to-ceiling drapes can give the illusion of higher ceilings, instantly elevating the room's aesthetic. Choose sheer curtains for an airy feel, or heavier fabrics like velvet for a cozier, more intimate atmosphere. Adding plants can breathe life into your bedroom decor. Consider small potted plants on bedside tables or a larger floor plant in a corner. Not only do they purify the air, but they also bring in a pop of natural color. Storage can be stylish too. Invest in chic storage solutions like woven baskets, decorative boxes, or floating shelves. Not only do they help keep your bedroom tidy, but they also enhance the room's look. Think of clever ways to combine function with aesthetics, like a storage bench at the foot of your bed, perfect for storing extra blankets or pillows. Finally, personalizing your space is key to making it feel like your own sanctuary. Add meaningful decor pieces, whether it's a unique sculpture, a vintage lamp, or travel souvenirs. These elements reflect your style and make your bedroom feel more intimate and inviting. From bedding to lighting, mirrors to storage solutions, every detail counts when creating a bedroom that feels like a true retreat. Keep experimenting and adding your personal flair to make it a space you love waking up in each day. To keep your bedroom feeling fresh over time, don't hesitate to switch up small decor items with the seasons. In colder months, add warmth with heavier fabrics like wool or faux fur throws, and swap them out for lighter materials like linen or cotton during the warmer months. Rotating your decor this way not only keeps the space cozy but also ensures it stays visually interesting throughout the year. Another great tip is to play with color schemes. If you're drawn to a minimalist look, try sticking to neutral tones like whites, grays, or soft tops.